Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to custom shots in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then you show the name sir is the January to February monthly is the custom shorts. This month name is unlegal. This month name is serially is custom short. Firstly, custom short in the select your all month is the data, and now click for the short and filter option. Now click for the custom short option, then click for the short by option. Now click for the row option, row 4 option. Click for the option and click for the short and lift to right option. Now for click OK. Then click for the order A to Z. Now for OK, and click for the custom list option. Then click for the general monthly name option. Now click for the OK. Then click for the OK. That's OK. Then we show the January, February, March, April, May, June, and the custom shots in Microsoft Excel. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.